Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti, the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning. What will you do to get a promotion or a raise? Well, I asked a number of executive MBA students at HEC Paris what they will do. Let's listen to their ideas.
I will bring a cheat sheet with actually 3 achievements that I made during the year, and I will, of course, with this achievement, try to justify the raise.
I list all my achievements and see how I could bring value to my team and onto the company.
I will point 2-3 main bullet points of the achievements.
Well, first of all, I'm going to focus on timing. So I'm going to choose the right time to ask for this raise. Obviously when I'm at my highest, obviously when I'm on the center of attention, the star. And of course I will have to make sure that everybody knows it, that the company sees my successes, and then I will use this in my favor when negotiating.
I will focus on the achievements of the year and the possibilities that my work brings to the company for the future.
Actually, I will try to detect the right timing, stay on a win-win situation with him, and I will come up with 3 achievements that I can actually justify a raise.
So a couple of key takeaways from those testimonials. One is make sure that you have clear your achievements and that you are able to present them effectively, and second, choose the right timing to make your request. More learning on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.